Hey guys, welcome to the DSD channel. I am Don, the owner and founder of DSD here in Rio Rancho, New Mexico. We are a full-service web design and development company. We partner with other companies for SEO and, advertising, things like that. But essentially our goal with this channel is to help other entrepreneurs who are looking to start a company or grow their current company by providing tips and tricks for how to set up a website, how to find hosting, general coding tips. So if you have a web design company and you're wanting to start one, we'll share coding tips and tricks in different languages that'll help you. We'll teach you WordPress, how to set up plugins and integrate with other systems. We'll basically bring you along as we learn as well, because there's a lot we're still learning, new things we're getting into, new revenue streams. So we'll be doing new software and product reviews related to business, related to the various things we do. So anybody who is looking to start a business or has a business and wants to expand it, this is your place. We're gonna have a lot of information here. We've learned a lot over the years by making mistakes and by watching videos like this. So we want to give back, and I know we're gonna have a lot of helpful comments, so we're gonna learn from you guys. So welcome to the team, and I look forward to growing and learning with you guys. So let's get started.